We will discuss associate colloids. In the previous class, we have discussed about the classification of the colloids based on the nature of interaction between the solute and the solvent. They are categorized as lyophilic and lyophobic. To the next, based on the nature of the solute, they are categorized as macromolecular, multimolecular, and associate colloids. Multimolecular together with macromolecular we have already discussed in the previous class. Today we will discuss associate colloid. I have told you that in case of associate colloids, at lower concentration they behave as normal electrolyte. You know electrolyte? Electrolyte means those substances which conduct electricity in aqueous or molten state. It means in case of associate colloids, at lower concentration, or we can say at diluted solution, they behave as normal electrolyte, but at higher concentration this electrolyte molecule they undergo association and come in the colloidal range. It means at higher concentration they aggregate to form colloidal solution. What it means? It means the formation of aggregate should take place only and only after a certain concentration. It means the concentration above which the colloidal solution, or we can say the concentration above which there is aggregate of electrolyte molecule to form the colloidal solution, that is known as critical micelle concentration, and that is about 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter. So the next one, the micelle formation takes place only and only after a certain temperature, and that temperature is known as Kraft temperature. You know, we will discuss that this associate colloids, they have both the hydrophilic part together with hydrophobic part, and those substances which has both hydrophilic together with hydrophobic part, these are termed as amphipathic. We have the example such as soap molecule, which has a long hydrocarbon chain together with the polar heads. These polar heads, these are water soluble, and the long hydrophobic chain, these are water repelling, and so therefore these molecules are termed as amphipathic. हम एसोसिएट कोलाइड क्या होता है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे. एसोसिएट कोलाइड का मतलब नॉर्मल कंसंट्रेशन पे वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट की तरह बिहेव करेंगे, लेकिन व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द कंसंट्रेशन जब हम बढ़ाएंगे तो वो कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन की तरह बिहेव करने लगेंगे. क्यों करने लगेंगे? क्योंकि हायर कंसंट्रेशन पे जो मॉलिक्यूल हैं या जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो क्या करेंगे? एग्रीगेट करेंगे, इकट्ठा होंगे, और जब इकट्ठा होंगे तो वो किस में चले जाएंगे? कोलाइडल रेंज में चले जाएंगे. तो ऐसी चीजें, जो ऐसा सॉल्यूशन जो डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन पे या लोअर कंसंट्रेशन पर नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट की तरह बिहेव करे और हायर कंसंट्रेशन पर कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन की तरह बिहेव करे, उसको हम एसोसिएट कोलाइड कहते हैं. हमने बताया कि जो कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन का फॉर्मेशन है वो एक डिफिनिट कंसंट्रेशन के एबव ही होता है, एंड दैट कंसंट्रेशन इज टर्म्ड एज क्रिटिकल मिसल कंसंट्रेशन और CMC, that has been many time asked in your board examination. जो क्रिटिकल मिसल कंसंट्रेशन है वो 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 4 मोल्स पर लीटर होता है. जो मिसल का फॉर्मेशन होता है, मिसल फॉर्मेशन एक डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर के एबव ही होता है, एंड दैट टेम्परेचर इज टर्म्ड एज क्राफ्ट टेम्परेचर. मिसल क्या है? ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मॉलिक्यूल का, या अगर हम सोप मॉलिक्यूल का एग्जांपल लेते हैं तो उनका एक एग्रीगेट है. इस मिसल में नियर अबाउट 100 मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं. हमने डिस्कस किया कि ये जो एसोसिएट कोलाइड में अगर हम सोप का एग्जांपल लेते हैं तो जो सोप का मॉलिक्यूल है इसका हेड पोलर होता है और इसका जो टेल होता है वो हाइड्रोफोबिक होता है, यानी कि इसके अंदर दोनों पार्ट हैं, लायोफिलिक एंड लायोफोबिक, और ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल को एम्फीपैथिक कहते हैं. वी विल आल्सो डिस्कस द mechanism of clinician action of But before that, we will discuss what is associate colloid. Associate colloids. Those substances, those solution which behaves as normal electrolyte at lower concentration but behaves as colloidal solution at higher concentration. That is termed as associate colloid. ऐसा सॉल्यूशन जो नॉर्मल कंसंट्रेशन पर वो नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट की तरह बिहेव करेगा, लेकिन इन केस but at higher concentration they behaves as colloidal solution. Why? Because at higher concentration they undergo formation of aggregate, and when they aggregate then they goes into colloidal range. Higher concentration because of formation of aggregate. This aggregate is known as micelle. This aggregate is known as micelle. I have told you कि जो मिसल का फॉर्मेशन होता है वो एक सर्टेन टेम्परेचर के एबव ही होता है, and that temperature is known as Kraft temperature. So we'll discuss Kraft temperature. The temperature above which micelles formation takes place is known as Kraft temperature. To the next, we know जो मिसल फॉर्मेशन होता है वो एक डिफिनिट कंसंट्रेशन के एबव ही होता है, उसके नीचे मिसल का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो सकता. दैट कंसंट्रेशन इज नोन एज CMC और क्रिटिकल मिसल कंसंट्रेशन. वी विल डिस्कस CMC और वी कैन से क्रिटिकल मिसल concentration. The concentration above which micelle formation takes place is known as CMC or critical micelle concentration, which is 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter. we know that when we are going to concentrate the solution, then micelle formation takes place. It means if we are going to dilute the solution, then they will behave as, this colloidal solution will behave as what? Normal electrolyte. The next we have, on addition of solvent, these associate colloids behaves as normal electrolyte. It means on dilution they will lose their colloidal behavior. We can also say dilution. To the next, in case micelle, there is about 100 molecules which aggregate together to form the micelle. About 100 molecules aggregate to form micelle. हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया है कि जो सोप मॉलिक्यूल होता है जो मिसल फॉर्मेशन में जाता है, वो उसके अंदर लायोफिलिक और लायोफोबिक, हाइड्रोफिलिक और हाइड्रोफोबिक दोनों पार्ट होते हैं, और ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स को हम एम्पीपैथिक कहते हैं. द सोप मॉलिक्यूल that is associate, that is the soap molecule, that is associate colloid is having hydrophilic head and hydrophobic, it means water heating, talc. Such molecules are known as amphiphilic. To the next, we will discuss the mechanism. Now we will discuss mechanism of micelle formation. Micelle formation में होता क्या है? In case of micelle formation, we know the soap molecule is amphiphilic. That means it has polar head together with hydrophobic tail. Hydrophobic, it means, let us draw it. Mechanism of micelle formation. We have example of soap molecule, that is sodium stearate, sodium palmitate. Sodium stearate and sodium stearate, the formula we have CH3 CH2 16 COONA. This is known as sodium stearate. If you want to draw it, then it is like this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. COONA. This is plus, this is minus. This corner represents one carbon and their valency is satisfied by hydrogen. This This is known as sodium stearate. Here we have hydrocarbon chain. This is known as TEL. And we know light dissolve light. Though it is a hydrocarbon, it is non-polar, therefore it has not tendency, or we can say it is having water heating tendency. Therefore it is known as hydrophobic. Phobic, it means it has fear. To the next, this is known as polar head. Polar head, which is known as hydro. Though it is polar, like dissolve like. What is polar? And this head is polar, therefore it wants to dissolve into it. Therefore it is known as hydrophilic. Hydrophilic. Therefore this molecule has two parts, TEL and head. The TEL is hydrophobic and the head is polar, which is hydrophilic. Therefore this molecule is also termed as amphipatric. We have another example, sodium stearate, sodium palmitate. That is C15H31 COONA plus minus. We have an example of sodium lauryl sulfate. We will also discuss. But we will discuss how the micelle formation takes place. When they are in lesser quantity, when the soap molecules are in lesser quantity, like this is the water we have. If they are in the solution, then they will remain as this. At lower concentration, when they are behaving as electrolyte, then the soap molecule will remain as this. Why? Because they have hydrophilic heads. They want to dissolve in water, therefore they are inside the water. Whereas this is hydrophobic, therefore this still remains outside of the water. And so for that it has an arrangement like this. Whereas when the concentration increases, then these molecules are pulled inside the bulk and they form an spherical aggregate. Let us know it. They form a spherical aggregate like COO minus, 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 COO minus. It means when the concentration is increased, then these molecules are pulled in the bulk and they are going to form a spherical aggregate. See it here? They form a spherical aggregate like this. This is known as micelles. This micelle contains about 100 soap molecules. How the micelle formation takes place? When the soap molecules are at lower concentration, then the head of soap molecule, which is hydrophilic, remains in the water remains in water, but hydrophobic talc remains outside of water, like this. But at higher concentration, these soap molecules are pulled in the bulk and forms spherical aggregate known as micelle, which contains about 100 soap molecules. हमने क्या पढ़ा? जो सोप मॉलिक्यूल है उसमें हाइड्रोफोबिक, इसका मतलब वाटर को रिपेल करने वाला, वाटर से दूर भागने वाला टेल होता है, क्योंकि ये क्या है, ये हाइड्रोकार्बन है, ये नॉन पोलर है। हमने पढ़ा है कि लाइक डिसॉल्व लाइक, यानी कि आयनिक होगा तो आयनिक में डिसॉल्व होना चाहेगा और कोवेलेंट होगा तो कोवेलेंट में डिसॉल्व होना चाहेगा। तो जो ये टेल है इसकी वो क्या है, कोवेलेंट है। जब कोवेलेंट है तो वाटर पोलर है, इसमें डिसॉल्व होना नहीं चाहेगी। बट इसका हेड जो है वो पोलर है और पोलर में डिसॉल्व होना चाहेगा। इसका मतलब ये हेड जो है वो वाटर में जाना चाहेगा। तो क्या है, लोअर कंसंट्रेशन में क्या होगा कि चूंकि ये वाटर लविंग है, वाटर में डिसॉल्व होना चाहता है, इसलिए हेड कहां चला जाएगा, वाटर के अंदर चला जाएगा। ये टेल जो है वो वाटर से हीट करता है, नहीं डिसॉल्व होना चाहता है, इसलिए क्या रहेगा, सरफेस से ये बाहर रहेगा। कब, लोअर कंसंट्रेशन पे। बट when we are going to increase the concentration, जैसे जैसे हम concentration increase करेंगे at a certain concentration, that is CMC के बाद अगर concentration बढ़ता है तो ये जो surface पे molecules हैं वो bulk में pulled कर लिए जाते हैं, खींच लिए जाते हैं और ये क्या बनाते हैं, एक spherical aggregate बनाते हैं। अब spherical क्यों, क्योंकि ये same type of charge हैं तो they will repel each other equivalently, बराबर वो रिपेल करेंगे तो एक स्फेरिकल एग्रीगेट का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा। और इसी को, इसमें लगभग 100 मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं सोप के, और इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, इसको कहते हैं मिसल्स। बहुत सारे